Continuation, kung makikita natin ngayon dito, still nasa 1 hour tayo at kasalukuyang nagre-reject yung price dito sa order block. And then, after this strong impulse bearish move, so nagkakaroon ng sign of rejection from the buyer. But since still there are 37 minutes left, so we wait for the closing ng 1 hour na to. If this 1 hour candlestick closes strong, ano ibig sabihin ng closes strong? If this 1 hour candlestick, andyan na yung rejection, we just need to wait for the confirmation. Medyo matagal kasi 1 hour yung basihan natin. So, mapapansin nyo, 36 minutes pa. So, we just need to wait. If this candlestick will show a candlestick na merong strong closing above, nearly dun sa high niya, yung close niya is very near sa high niya, so it means parang andyan na yung buyer. And at the same time, with our setup, again, inverse head and shoulder, break the neckline, pull back, no? We wait for the 1 hour rejection, then we wait for a confirmation. Once confirmation is lumabas na, you go down 15 minutes again. Rejection again, and then wait for the confirmation ng 15 minutes. Again, kung lumabas yung 15 minutes, strong ha, laging strong. Yung halos yung closing niya is malapit sa taas. You wait for the full back, 1 minute, and then rejection ng 1 minute, and then confirmation ng 1 minute. So you can buy. So sa ngayon, there are scalpers na nag-profit na dyan, yan, because they are using stochastic. So okay yun. But then again, for those who are trying to trade on intraday basis, so yun yung maisasuggest ko, since ayan pa rin yung fair value gap, ano. So most likely, pwedeng mag-close dito yung confirmation and then a pullback. And kung mapapansin nyo, this is a nabubuo na trend or uptrend. So napakalalim ng pullback na yan. If tama tayo, we can set our TP here, dito, yan, somewhere here. At malaki rin yan. Malaki rin yan. And kung masanay tayo dyan sa ganyang setup, medyo hindi siya stressful. That is 817 pips. Or 8,172 or 817 pips. Sa 0.01 yan, you can, pwede kang magkaroon dyan na $80. And then, kung gano'n naman mangyari, pwede kang mag-risk ng around $216 or $20. So, yun yung pwede mong maging risk-reward ratio. But, again, traders with different setup, so wait for your setup. Okay. And if that happens, again, it is aligned with our COT analysis and also with our, kumbaga ito, market structure natin. No? Pansin nyo, yan. 1, 2, 3, na-break yan, nag-retest, and then nag-pull back. No? And then this is the safety line. Kung hindi mabutas yung safety line na, ibig sabihin na may maintain niya pa yung uptrend niya on a 1 hour time frame. And kung papansinin nyo, this is the previous day high. And dito, merong blue, which is the previous day low. So, yun yung mga TV target. Then, try natin pumunta nga sa ATFX. Buksan natin yung client portal. Let's see what will client portal o yung research ng ATFX, ano yung magiging bias nila. For those who are, meron silang nakaregistered sila kay ATFX, this is for free para sa lahat na nakaregistered sa ATFX. So, research and analysis. Again, this is free. Then you go to commodities. Tingnan natin kung ano yung bias ni... Yan. Yan. So, ang bias niya, nag-pullback. Yan. Yan, nag-pullback nga. Pwede rin pinagbasihan ito ng mga scalping kanina, pero ang sabi niya, hanggang dito. So, as of now, asan ba? 4410, 4380, sabi niyan. 4410, 4380. 4410, 42. Tama, ano? dito yon. Yan. So, we need to wait for the setup. Ako, yun na lang yung kinuha ko. I need to wait for the setup. Kasi kahit naman yung lower time frame, 15 minutes. Ayan din yan. So, this is a bullish engulfing kung sakali mang mag-close. No? On 15 minutes, we just need to wait. Yan. Iba pumapasok na dyan, but I'm waiting for my bias na 1 hour. So, pare-parehas lang naman yung concept. Kaya nang different traders kasi, they have different time frame. O yan. So, look at the pullback. So, somehow, we can wait for the price na mag-pullback sa mga yan for a retest. Yan. Then, ilang minuto na. This is a 1 minute, ano? Let us go back to 15 minutes. So, sa 15 minutes, tapos na, no? Matatapos na. So, most likely, yung pagbagsak na to, that is for another 15 minutes. So, ayan, nagpo-pull back. So, there are scalpers waiting dito somewhere here. Ayan. Pagdating dyan, they wait for the rejection and then confirmation. O kahit yung rejection lang and then pasok dito, TP dito. But that is scalping. Scalping. Kaya nga, sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga new joiners, watch the YouTube playlist ng ating community, which is the Polaris TV. Nandiyan ang link sa GC natin. And then, attend Zoom para yung mga tanong nyo masasagot. I hope you can join us in our everyday Zoom 7:30. And I hope na matuto kayo sa community natin and you join ATFX. Kung natututo kayo dito, please join ATFX. Natuto kayo dito, then nagte-trade kayo sa ibang broker, sayang naman kung dito kayo natuto. Pero kung hindi kayo natututo dito, okay lang din naman. So, it's your decision. Pero kung dito naman, we humbly ask your na mag-decision kayo to join ATFX. Total, wala namang bayad dito. Libre ang turo ng basic, and this is not basic at all. This is more advanced. Especially if we included this COT and the fundamentals. But still, sa pakikinig nyo, maraming salamat pa din. And good luck sa mga trade nyo.